The center double decrease creates a clean vertical line. Simply slip 2 stitches together knitwise, knit the next stitch, and pass the slip stitches over. As you can see, you get a 2-stitch decrease with no slant. Let's break it down again a bit slower. Insert your right needle into the first 2 stitches on your left needle knitwise and slip them to the right needle. Slipping them together reorients the stitches so the second, middle stitch is on top. Knit the next stitch on your left needle and finish by passing both slip stitches over and off. It's not unusual to see someone slipping each stitch knitwise individually. Because the stitches are not reoriented, this results in a left-leaning decrease. Alternatively, some people slip both stitches together, but purlwise. This also creates a left-leaning slant, similar to the 1-stitch decrease worked in the same manner. The center double decrease is perfect for finishing the point of a diamond gusset. To finish your decreases, knit until you are 1 stitch before the decrease column. Slip 2 stitches knitwise onto your right needle, knit the next stitch, and pass the 2 slip stitches over and off. It's also perfect for bringing a section of lace knitting to a clean point. Work in pattern until you have 3 stitches left. Yarn over, slip 2 stitches together knitwise, knit the next stitch, and pass the slip stitches over. Yarn over again and continue in pattern.